What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to play banana game in Telegram. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to the Telegram option over here. So if you don't have the Telegram application in your mobile phone, all you can do is to download it using the iOS store, or you can use the Play Store to download it. So once you have downloaded it and make your account on it, all you have to do is to open it up. Once you will open it up, all you have to do is to go to the top right corner in the search section. Just here search banana. So once you do it, you will see that the official banana announcement, which have 3 million subscriber, and you will see that the banana official board is here as well. So just tap on it and tap on start. Once you tap on start, you will see these options. Just tap on play now and wait for a few seconds till the application boots up completely. Once it will boot up, you will see the banana application open up in your Telegram. So here you can see that the banana application has now been opened up, and I can play by just tapping on it, and you will see that I have just completed 60 taps on it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.